Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram keeps crashing. To know how to fix Instagram keeps crashing, you should just go to settings. As you see, you will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, and when you will see this list you will go down to application of Instagram. When you will see this list you will go to first stop. After that, you will go to storage and you will enter here. Then you will find this page. You will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram keeps crashing. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.